Do you also feel like your blackheads are hydra-headed monsters? You remove one, and 3 new ones pop up. If you think this is happening because your skin is dirty, stop right there. Today, I'll show you a science-backed method that actually works, and I'll also point out the mistake 90% of people are making. You see, blackheads aren't just dirt, they are actually oxidized sebum. When the oil in your pores mixes with dead skin cells and comes into contact with air, it turns black. Simple. The problem is that home remedies, like neem gram flour scrubs or toothpaste, only clean the surface. To deal with the sebum trapped deep inside the pores, you need chemical exfoliation, not physical scrubbing. That's why your blackheads temporarily disappear only to return, because the root cause was never treated. 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser even if you have oily skin. It might seem counterintuitive, but the principle, like dissolves like, applies here. Oil is effective at properly removing excess sebum and sunscreen. Rinse it off with warm water, then follow up with a gentle water-based cleanser, such as Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, or a refreshing wash easily available at local pharmacies. Step 2. Chemical exfoliation. A word of caution here. Please avoid physical scrubs or products containing beads. These can cause micro tears that damage your skin barrier, potentially worsening acne in the long run. Instead, use a BHA, specifically salicylic acid. Since it is oil-soluble, it penetrates the pores to break down sebum. Product recommendations: the Derma Co. 2% salicylic acid serum or minimalist 2% BHA. Both are affordable and easily available in India, Pakistan. If you are on a tight budget, simply look for any 2% salicylic acid formulation at a local pharmacy. Apply it to a cotton pad and gently wipe it over your T-zone. Start by using it twice a week, not daily, to avoid irritation. Step 3. Extraction deep cleansing mask. Now for the satisfying part. Apply a clay mask, such as Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, or a bentonite clay mask, to absorb excess oil. Wait for about 10 minutes until the mask dries slightly. Listen to the sound, it indicates that the mask is working. If you are performing manual extraction, remember safety rules. Touch only those blackheads that have already loosened after steaming, and apply very gentle pressure using 2 fingers wrapped in a tissue. If you feel resistance, stop. Forcing it can lead to scarring and infection. Pore strips, avoid them completely. They only pull out surface blackheads, and repeated use can permanently enlarge the pores. It is a myth that pore strips provide deep cleaning. Step 4. Soothing and toning. Now, it is important to calm the skin. Try ice rolling. It tightens pores and reduces inflammation. Follow up with a soothing serum or toner, preferably niacinamide-based, to reduce redness and balance oil production. Use a patting motion rather than rubbing. This aids product absorption and protects the skin from unnecessary friction. The secret to prevention now for the most important part: how to prevent them from coming back. Always remove makeup and sunscreen thoroughly at night. Remember, this is our step 1. Double cleansing. Opt for non-comedogenic products. Check the label to ensure it says non-comedogenic. Make sure to apply SPF during the day, even if you are staying indoors. Sun damage can trigger sebum production. Change your pillowcase weekly. They accumulate oil and bacteria that can lead to breakouts. And most importantly, be patient. No routine can promise 100% permanently clear skin, but consistent care can significantly reduce flare-ups. So, tell me, which of these steps are you already following, and which one will you try today? Let me know in the comments. Spots.